Hey gamers! If you've ever tried to launch a game on Steam only to see the frustrating message, Steam must be running to play this game, then you know how annoying it can be. Today, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to fix this issue so you can get back to gaming in just a few minutes. First, let's start with the simplest fix: restarting Steam. Close the application completely and relaunch it fresh. Believe it or not, sometimes Steam just needs a little reset. This refreshes the system and can instantly clear minor glitches that trigger this error. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to check your firewall. Your Windows Defender firewall can sometimes block Steam from running properly. Open the Defender Security Center and look for any firewall rules related to Steam. Temporarily disable them while troubleshooting, but don't forget to turn your firewall back on afterward for security. Next, let's check your Steam settings. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Interface, and make sure you're not enrolled in any beta programs. Beta versions can introduce bugs, so selecting None for client beta participation can help stabilize your Steam experience. Now head to your game library, right-click the game causing the issue, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This tool checks for missing or corrupted files and automatically replaces them, ensuring your game is in perfect working order. If you've been using mods, especially from the Steam Workshop, try disabling them. Mods can sometimes interfere with how games launch, so turning them off might be the key to solving this problem. And finally, if nothing else works, you may need to uninstall and reinstall Steam. This gives you a completely clean slate and can resolve persistent issues. Just make sure to back up any important data or settings before doing this, as they could be lost during the process. And there you have it, a complete guide to fixing the Steam must be running to play this game error. Follow these steps, and you'll be back to gaming smoothly in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.